A lot of y'all have been asking for an update on how this tub and tile reglazing kit has lasted through the years. And I am here, I've road tripped all the way from North Carolina, east, Mooresville, all the way over here to Texas, back to this investment property that I originally did this tub and tile kit on, and I'm slightly impressed. I'm here to show y'all some of the results. I'll get you some nice, beautiful photos, videos. I get it, that is called a soap holder, brush holder, whatever that circle is for. I remember I was saying the circle thing, and many of y'all corrected me on that. A soap holder. I don't know, so what are your thoughts on how this ended up? I'm personally a little bit surprised. I was expecting this to last 1 or 2 years, but with this being the only issues after 5 years, now I wouldn't feel comfortable re-renting this house in the condition it is, so I do have to do something about it, but I'm glad I did it. You know, 5 years later, looking back, I think this was all worth it. And you know, the house has been renting out just fine, non-stop. The only reason it's not rented out today is because we listed the house on the market. I don't know, so what are your thoughts on how this held up after 5 years? And it's been through 3 or 4 different tenants. I would also say that anywhere that you're not touching, so like all these walls are in fantastic shape. It's really just the tub where you set stuff on the edge of the tub and in the tub, but the outside of the tub is just fine. So this could probably also just use a second reglaze. Keep in mind, this is the only bathroom in this entire house, so everybody who would be living here over the past 5 years uses this every single day. Yeah, so thanks for watching. 5,000 of y'all have subscribed to my channel based off of that original tub and tile refinishing video. So if y'all are watching this updated one, I'm curious to what your results are from when you reglazed your tub and how it's lasted and held up. Post those in the comments because I'm curious if you had better results or worse results than I did, and so others can see that as well and make the best decision for themselves. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and continue on for more videos just like this. Thanks.